still yet to believe that you of all people have gotten married. Oh my God.
Yeah, of all the people I thought will end up alone, you know. We have to hand it to Anju, you know, to grab
I know,
hold
we have to really hand it to Anju for finding you, for getting married.
I think breakfast should be here. So we'll have breakfast and then go.
It was very awesome. It's our first Kerala wedding, and yeah, I'm really enjoying. The sadhya was epic, and our boys with Munda just for you, and we are here all the way from Pune. It's awesome, and I wish you all the very best and a very happy married life.
Yeah, you are fortunate to get married amongst us.
Yeah.
So, all the best.
So we know Vinayak, I know Vinayak since almost 10 years now. We both are college friends and we both are colleagues also. It's been a long time. I never thought I'd see his wedding, but yeah, it's happening now.
Like उन दोनों का बहुत ही smoothly हुआ. Like it was not कि she took a lot of time. They both clicked like pretty fast. So like it was a very smooth ride for both of them, which is very nice.
Bride ആയിട്ട് കണ്ടപ്പം I knew she'll be like beautiful. പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടപ്പം I felt like she's the most beautiful bride that I have seen till date. വിനായക് ഭയങ്കര ഒരു കാമായിട്ടുള്ള പേഴ്സണാണ്, ഭയങ്കര സ്വീറ്റാണ്. പിന്നെ എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ അടി കൂടാണെങ്കിലും വിനായകൻ ആദ്യം അത്
Somewhere on the west coast, living on the ocean, with palm trees in the yard, or maybe.
See, more than a friend, she was always a family for us. Like for each one of us.
Where life ain't all that hard, we could run away together, baby, let's get away fast.
നമ്മുടെ പ്രയത്നിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ ജോലി, നമ്മുടെ ഫാമിലി, ഇങ്ങനത്തെ സംഭവങ്ങളാണ്. പക്ഷെ അതിന് പുറമെ നമ്മൾ വളരെ കുറച്ചാണ് ആലോചിച്ചത്. പക്ഷെ അഞ്ജുവിന്റെ കാര്യം എടുത്ത് നോക്കാന്ന് വെച്ചാല് ഭൂമിയിലുള്ള എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ആലോചിച്ചുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ഒരു ആളാണ്.
Let's leave the world behind us, a place they'll never see.